Hello everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and welcome to another model rating video. So as you can see, I have a box here that's already been opened. So you may be wondering, what's inside the box? Well, if you haven't seen my community post, I showed you guys a little sneak peek that I have some new rolling stock, which are first time I bought new rolling stock in a long time, because the last time I bought some new rolling stock was back in January, which was back at the train show. That was like when I bought, let me see, I bought them alongside my Conrail Heritage unit, which is the CSX one, CSX 1976, and I got like 3 new rolling stock, which I bought was a Bachmann UP coil car, a Box Valley CP box car, and then the other one was it looked like it appears to be like an older Walthers LPG tank car. So now I have some new freight cars. Now, for the month of March. So, would you like to know what's inside? Well, we're about to find out. So, open them up. And right here, there's 6 Walthers ones. So, I'm going to set the box aside. So, they're right here. So, let's start off with the top row real quick. So, here they are. So, the first card that I have is this. This is a Walthers Mainline cylindrical hopper, which is Canadian National with the red letters. So there's that. And yeah, just letting you know, all these cars I bought them from Hiawatha Hobbies, which is a hobby store in Wisconsin. It's a pretty good. I hear it's a pretty good store. Their shipping is really reliable. So I got that. Here's my next one. This is another cylindrical hopper, as you can see. But this is Canadian National in the, probably like brown paint or boxcar red, some scheme. There's that. So I got Canadian National. So 2 of those. And probably my favorite ones are these 4 right here. Here they are. There's one. This is actually the new release from Walthers Mainline. This is something that the rolling stock that they did a long time ago from their Gold Line series. But I'm so glad that these are finally back and Walthers is doing these again. These are the 63-foot pulpwood flat cars. So as you can see, it's got all these stakes on here, which is basically used to carry like lumber and all that stuff, or basically logs and all that. So there's that. So the first example I have is TTX. The next one I have is Canadian National. So there's that. And the last 2 is Canadian Pacific, and I have another Canadian Pacific. So there it is. Let me just put these back. So there it is. So this is basically the rolling stock reveal for March of 2025. So I'm actually really glad with how these turned out, and I'm really glad to have these in future operating sessions coming soon. So I might think about using these on part of the Canadian National oil trains, say like a CN oil train just interchanges to BNSF, and then they have these on, and these will be perfect to be on the mixed freights. I'll think about finding some loads for them, or if I can't find any loads, then what about maybe finding some small branches or twigs in the front or backyard and all that. So yeah, so maybe sometimes if the weather gets gets a little bit drier or it's nice out, I can try to find some and add these on. So anyways, so that's gonna do it for this video, and also stay tuned for a review video, because I'll be doing a review video on these, because you know, this is a brand new release, and plus I think I did some reviews on this one already, but it's like from a long time ago. So these are actually from the older release, but these are like the newer ones. So anyways, I'll look forward to doing a review on these black cars, so stay tuned for that. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. See you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.